Okay, let's continue with our tutorials. Now let's do some settings on the header also. Okay, so let's click on the footer. So let's click on it and click on edit. So okay, so this is the footer. Here I've done some changes on, but let me show you. Here, when you click here, okay, then you can add a container here. So go to this side and then search for a container, this one, then you drag it and then come and put it here on top like this. Oh, sorry, not a container, but rather a header like this. So you put it here, right? Okay, and then you write the categories. You write it here, categories. Then you come in, you right click on the menu, and then select, you click on copy like this, and then you come here, right click, and then you paste style to change to white, right? And then you write the categories there. That is how I did it. Okay, I'm not going to use it this one, so let me delete this one and update it. Okay, so here also you can, if you don't want this, you can remove them, and then whatever you want to put there, you can do that, right? Let's say you want to put a post, you can put a post here. You can put a post here, so you can go in for post. Okay, then then you click, and then let's say you drop it here. No, not this one. Okay, you let's leave it like this, and then continue. Let's leave it. It's looking nice, right? Okay, so now let's click here, also, and then the bottom here, let's make it 0, update it. Okay, and then let's go back to our back end and then refresh it. Okay, so we are going to also edit these ones. Yeah, we are going to do that right now. So let's change this element. So click here. Okay, click here, then it's saying what, at 2019, so make it 2024, and then here you write your blog name here, which is mine is NOKADIGITALS. So NOKADIGITALS. Okay, it's N rather, not M, not Mocha, N. So NOKADIGITALS, and then let me update it. Okay, then here here also you can edit it or you can remove it from there. Okay, here you can remove it from there. Let me see the home. So type your so let me remove this one. Okay, and then update it. So when we come to our back end and then refresh, you see we have already a 2024 Noka Media all rights reserved, and it's looking nice, right? It's looking nice. So now let's continue. And look at this side here. Let me select this side and then go to advanced. Let me see style, advanced, and then go to advanced here. Then let's remove this one from there. Let's delete it. Okay, so the margin is too big, 400 is too big. Okay, then now let's update it. Okay, now let's refresh it. Okay, so since we don't have any posts here, that's why it's close to 8. So when we add more posts, we are going to see okay. Okay, so let's leave some, let's see, let's make it 50 or 60 and see. Let me update it and then go and refresh it here. Let me make it 100. Let me make it 100. Refresh it and then okay, it's okay. When we add more posts here, we are going to see them, which we will be doing very soon. We want to finish design now. Site, then we can add more posts to it. Okay, so and then what else? Let's remove this one. Let's remove this one and this. Let me remove this. Then this one also. Okay, so this one, let's make it recent post. Recent post. Okay, and then here let's add a final list. Final it's not showing here. Let me see. Okay, let me go in for post. So let me add post here, and then let me change the, make it currency, and then here let me select one. I'm going for one. Show image. Let me say, oh, it's too long. It's too long. Let me change this to let me make it 5 and see. What else? What? Let me see. Okay, I think this one is good, but I want it to be only one to appear. So post per page, let me make it one. Okay, let me go. Okay, yeah. So this one, only one should appear in the recent page. And what else? Okay. Let me update it and then refresh it and see. Okay. So yeah, I think it's looking good now. It's looking good. What else? Okay, so let's end here and then continue in our next tutorials. Thank you for watching.